Not sure about acupuncture? Let's talk about cost, pain, and results. People often worry about cost. They ask if acupuncture hurts. And most importantly, does it actually work? That's why we offer a free consultation. Submit your insurance 2 days ahead, and you will know your copay on the day of your visit. You will talk directly with your acupuncturist. They will explain the process, such as how many sessions you may need and what to expect. Worry about pain? We use the thinnest needles for the first-time patients, about 0.16 millimeters, thinner than a hair. A calm space and a clear plan. Answers before you begin. Scan the code to schedule your appointment.